Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And guess what we're going to do today? We're going to play with some Mix2Mold. And we're going to make a beautiful trinket dish for Mother's Day. Stick around for this quick video. Okay, so here we go. There's my Mix2Mold, 2/3 of a cup. And 4 tablespoons of water. Okay, that's how fast that mixes up. As you can see, there is nothing, a touch of pink. And so I am just going to put 1, 2, 3 drops. So I'm just adding 3 drops of the Mix2Mold red pigment here, and I went right in and mixed that in. We're going to go straight in for the pour. This is going to be exact. I won't have any left over. And that's a perfect pink for this. A few little taps and we're done. Okay, 1 hour, we'll return. Okay, I'm showing you some butcher paper here, and that's what I printed a little background on, and I get that from the Graphic Fairy. You'll find the information down below to the Graphic Fairy. I think I can demold this at this time so we can get ready to go on to my next part of the video. Yeah, come right out. Really very nice. Nicely done. Here for us a little bit. This is going to look beautiful on here. All I need to do is here I'm just tracing it with my fingers. And then I'm just going to cut that out so it'll fit inside that space. Let's put this down. So putting a little gloss gel down on the trinket dish, and then I'm going to add that butcher paper on top. Press that down as try and get all those bubbles out. When I came to the ends, I actually didn't do such a great job on it, but it really does look beautiful in the ends. Maybe butcher paper is not such a great idea. I forgot that it is a little shiny, so it may resist the glue. But this is it's a learning experience, but it looks beautiful. So we're learning here today, as we're learning every week. Okay, and now I decided I was going to add a few of these rose quartz going all around. Of course, I thought it would look really beautiful without adding too much sparkle, just a little bit of interest without taking away from the beauty and softness of this piece. And I'm going to just put a very light UV resin around the edges here. And I'll use my J-diction Mod type. And put it right on top, and I think 3 minutes will be perfect. Okay. It's pretty beautiful, and I love the softness of that. I don't want to add too much more to this. I'm thinking just a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to use my Spectrum Noir, and this is just going to add a little sparkle. I'll show you how that looks. Can you see that sparkle? Just around the edges. And my eyes are drawn to southern skies. And I'm going to bring that down here so I can do it a little easier. The promised land was there beyond the great divide. But I'll be coming home soon. Yeah, I'll be coming home soon. Now, if I can just take a moment of your time and introduce to you my members. The Traveling Tramps, Lena Park Art, Simply Nanette, and Art by Sparkle. You'll want to meet each and every one of them. Please look down in my description below. Don't miss them. The happy faces and a sign upon a hill. The wine is flowing and the fields forever green. And all your hopes and dreams will always be. You see that little shine that it gets? So I'll be coming real soon. And I think that's done. I don't want to do anything else to this because I don't want to ruin it. So take me out to California, where the sun that's it. Always high, where the streets are paved with gold. So happy Mother's Day, everyone. And I do hope you enjoyed what you saw here today. This was really an easy project. And at first I thought that picture paper was not good, but I take that back. When I woke up this morning, it looked amazing. Or try any paper, any kind of paper that you would use to decoupage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe today if you enjoyed my content. If this resonates with you in any way, shape, or form. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Today's product, Mix2Mold. You can get that at Michael's, and that's Brea Reese. So easy, just add a little water. This is an eco resin. Oh, and wait a minute. We do have something else to show you. Don't leave yet. I have something for you to see. Hold on one moment.